Hello everyone, I'm April Proudfoot, President and CEO of April Proudfoot Avon. Did you know that Avon has laundry detergent? Yup. It's called Fresh Fiji laundry detergent products. Now these products are hygienic, plant-based enzymes, powered with stain-fighting solutions and brightening and whitening with peroxide and baking soda. Now they're going to break down the stains and it's safe for your skin. So let's talk about that. Now the Fresh Fiji liquid laundry detergent is 4 times super concentrated, has stain removing blended enzymes, and 4 times the concentration cleaning power for whiter and brighter clothes and prevents future stains. If you can believe this, you only use 1/5 of a cup for a regular load. Now I didn't even know that 1/5 of a cup existed. So how much is this exactly? But it's just a little over 2 tablespoons. That's how much concentration is in one of these little jugs. And this little jug does up to 63 loads of your laundry. I absolutely love this. I've been using it for about a year. Now my next favorite is the Fresh Fiji. This is the color booster stain remover. And this product eliminates stains and odors. It whitens the clothes and brightens the colors. And this has peroxide and a color-safe bleach. That this is not going to hurt your septic tanks if you live in the country like I do. We also have Fresh Fiji sheet detergents. Now, if you have trouble pouring things or lifting heavy bottles, then this product is going to be for you. I have a couple of friends who have trouble pouring things due to their disability and arthritis and such. This product is perfect for them because it also comes in a Ziploc bag that keeps the rest of the sheets from drying out, and you just tear it in half a sheet for a small load, a full sheet for a regular load, and 1.5 sheets for a large load. Now this product comes in the regular scent and also lavender. And I like to use the lavender on my bed sheets because it has calming properties for a restful sleep. Now they have added Fresh Fiji hygienic powered laundry detergent, and that combines the hygienic power formula to remove dirt that you can't see while fighting stains, and it has a solution for brightening and whitening, and it uses baking soda, and that's going to prevent odors for a deep clean. And those are the products right here. I don't have them to show you. We also have the bar and stain remover. Now this bar is perfect for pre-treating and targeting spot treating, hand washing, and travel. And this breaks down stains in the pre-wash. And it's safe for skin, and it has moisturizing ingredients. And then we've got the hygienic booster stain remover. And this hygienic power formula makes whites bright, boosts and brightens colors, and eliminates stains and odors. Now this has also the peroxide and oxygen-based bleach, a safe bleach, and then the new hygienic power fabric softener. I love this one. This is amazing. This also has 3 times the concentrated power in it, so you don't use much as you would with your regular fabric softener. And it freshens and protects your clothes, and it has a long-lasting rose water and jasmine scent. Now it's made with plant-based surfactants, microplastic-free, safe for the skin and your environment, and this does up to 50 loads. So, I am excited about these products that I just showed you. They're available to you, and we have also the morning aura dish soap. I don't have that to show you right now. This product, I haven't used it, but I want to check it out, and you have to check out the reviews on my website to see what these people are saying about these products. We have a bottle stain remover that removes the stains from your coffee and your different products that you put in your drinks that stain your drinking bottles that you take maybe to the gym or wherever. But I just wanted you to know, I'm not sure if you were aware of this or not, but give those products a try. They're very safe. They're safe for the environment. They're safe for your skin, and they're made from plants. So they have plant enzymes in them, which in turn eats the dirt and the grime and the enzymes in your clothes, even the blood stains. those enzymes will go to work and take care of those. So check it out, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. And that's all I have for this time. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.